Meaning of doomy.
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 Doomy. Doomy describes something that is filled with a sense of impending doom or disaster. It can be used to describe a situation, atmosphere, or outlook that feels pessimistic or foreboding. The result of experiencing a doomy feeling is often anxiety or fear about what may happen in the future, or a sense of hopelessness about the present. This word can also be used as a synonym for gloomy or bleak, and is often used to describe a negative or fatalistic attitude towards a particular situation.